Namaskar, Khushro Bittiya. My name is Dr. Asma Khan, Department of Fashion and Interior, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Braided fabric or braid fabric, braiding in a textile machine or hand method of interlacing three or more yarn by a skirt, cloth, stripe in such a way that they cross one another and are laid together in diagonal formation, forming a narrow stripe of flat tubular fabric. The word plaiting is generally applied when such material as rope or straw are employed. Braiding is a uh, textile material. It is designed in vertically formed with the three yarns interlacing each other. Are laid together in diagonal formation and creating a braiding form in flat or tubular fabric. Braids are frequently used as a trimming or binding. Flat braid may be used to produce a decorative border effect on garment or home furnishing, or may be folded over raw fabric edges as finishing method. Sauchi is a decorative braid with a herringbone pattern, sometimes used to outline design. This is the example of braided fabric. Braids may be sewed together to make braid rugs, hats, handbags, belts. Can also be made from various braids, including plastic and straw type. The main properties of braid is yarn are interlaced both diagonally and lengthwise. Yarn are interlaced both diagonally and lengthwise. Diagonally भी prepared होते हैं yarn और lengthwise भी, और इनसे braided form बनते हैं. Flat tubular. ब्रेड इज़ ए स्ट्रेची एंड ईजीली शेप्ड. ब्रेड जो टेक्सटाइल मटेरियल होता है वो स्ट्रेची होता है क्योंकि इसको डायगनली और वर्टिकली डिज़ाइन किया जाता है. फ्लैट और थ्री डायमेंशनल ब्रेड इज़ यूज्ड फॉर ट्रिम एंड इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट. फ्लैट और थ्री डायमेंशनल ब्रेड जो होती है वो ट्रिम्स में काम आती है, करिकुलम जैसे जिपर बनाने के मटेरियल में और इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट्स में काम आती है. Type of braid fabrics. Braiding can be classified as two or three dimensional braiding. Two dimensional braid structure can be circular, round, tubular, or flat braid. Three dimensional braiding is relatively new and was developed mainly for the composite structure. So, braid are divided into two types considered as a two dimensional or three dimensional. Two dimensional circular round braid, tubular in form which may be hollow or center core of some material. Flat braid in the form of stripe or narrow flat tips. Material use. Braiding are produced from any of the textile fiber, cotton, jute, nylon, glass fiber, rubber, as well as from metal thread, tinsel, straw, wire, and leather. Manufacturing principle. The traditional circular braiding machine contain a series of bobbin of yarn mounted on a moving track. At the bottom of the machine, the braid is produced as a bobbin move in and out around the base of the machine, such as my pole dancer do not do such much as my pole dancer do. Interweaving yarn by braiding produces a flexible fabric. The fabric can be stretched in one direction but it contracts in the other. Braided fabrics and braiding is a more significant for the industrial fabric than consumer textile. Braiding is one of the major fabrication method of composites reinforced main structure. With the increasing application of electrical wires and cables, harnesses, hoops, industrial beds, surgical sutures, the principle of fabric construction is used for making shaped articles such as straw, hats, small rugs, narrow fabrics such as ribbon, braids for the millinery and accessory dresses material, coats, tapes such as fish lines, shoelaces, wigs, parachute cord, structural component for other industrial product. Conclusion. Thus, braiding fabric forming mechanism of the braiding machine. It is also formed by crochet knitting machine and needle looms. We hope in future we can invented many new modern braiding process and also formed braided fabric, three-dimension braided structure process. This is the example of medical textile of braided material. This is the example of nylon braided fabric, and this is the example of braided material design in the fabric form. Netting or net fabric. After the discussion of braiding, now we will discuss netting or the net fabric. Net or netting is a type of textile in which the yarn are fused, looped, knotted at their intersection, resulting in a fabric with open space between the yarn. Net has many uses and come in different varieties depending on the type of yarn filament that is used to make up the textile. Its properties can vary from durable to non-durable. Netting is designed in the form of fabric, which is the yarn are fused, looped or knotted at their intersection, resulting fabric with space between the yarn. यार्न को फ्यूज़ कर दिया जाता है, लूप में रखा जाता है या फिर नोट में रखा जाता है, और इनके इंटरसेक्शन में जो स्पेस होता है उससे ऐसा डिज़ाइन बन जाता है कि वो नेट का रूप दे देता है या फैब्रिक नेट के रूप में डिज़ाइन हो जाता है। किन किन चीज़ों की वजह से? फ्यूज्ड कर देने की वजह से, यार्न को लूप्ड कर देने की वजह से, या फिर नॉटेड करने की वजह से। यूज़ ऑफ नेट फैब्रिक फिशिंग के काम आता है। मेडिकल प्रैक्टिसेस, कैंपिंग टेंट, क्लोथिंग, फैशन गारमेंट एंड एसेसरीज, किड्स क्लोथिंग, डेकोरेशन, handicraft and many more end use application designed with the net fabric. This is the simple example of net fabric: soft net fabric, polyester net fabric, and the net fabric. Net fabric, the type of net fabric: handmade net fabric. Several designs are classified in handmade net fabrics, and the second one is machine net fabric. Machine net fabric is also classified in several types. Handmade net fabric. Handmade or machine-made net is used as a foundation fabric for many kinds of needlework, including flight lace, tambour lace. Netting can be used for many things. This include adding fullness to dress, most commonly wedding and the prom dresses. It is also used for the many costume, including fairy outfits. Netting can also be used to make tattoos for the dancing costume. Netting can also be referred to when considering the handmade craft using either the lace maker or the net maker method to tie the netting knot. You can create several type of netting. Diamond mesh netting goes back and forth in row. This technique is used for the bags. This is the type of hand made netting or net fabric: diamond mesh, square mesh, or spiral. Diamond mesh netting goes back forth in rows. The technique is used for the bag, hammocks, headbands, scarves. Another type is a square mesh netting, which is also back and forth in row but is worked in the diagonal. This type of net is used for the traveling. The first row start at one corner and the last row finish the corner diagonal to the first corner. This is the often used of foundation of laces and net embroidery. Spiral netting is a type of netting that goes around in a simple manner to knitting or crochet. There is no beginning or the ending specific round since the pattern is continuous and just keeping going. After the discussion of three type of net fabric, diamond, square, or spiral, now we we will discuss knotless netting fabric. Knotless netting fabric. Different weaving pattern can be used for different kind of netting depending on the use of textile. Size of the holes in the net will be vary. Weaving pattern opposed to the knitting pattern are often used to knotless netting. Jason Mills stated that as there are no knots used to produce this kind of netting, it is usually less sturdy and the movable. Each strand, when used for the knotless netting weave, can sometimes be coated before being woven to ensure more durability. If a weave is coated after being woven, it can show be a more durable when exposed to heat, pressure depending on the type of coat. बेसिकली नॉटलेस निटिंग में नोट नहीं होता, जबकि डायमंड, स्क्वायर और स्पाइरल में नोट होता है और नोट के बेसिस पे ही डिज़ाइन क्रिएट किया जाता है. ये मोर ड्यूरेबल नेट होती है और इस ये एक दूसरे से मिक्स नहीं होती, बहुत क्लियर होती है और जब इसको एक्सपोज किया जाता है हीट और प्रेशर के सामने तो ये ड्यूरेबल होती है. बॉबी net. Bobby net machine is a plain net lace making machine invented and patented by the John Headcoat in 1808. Patent number 3151, and with a slight modification it was patented again in 1809, patent number 3216. This machine was known as an old log brogue. Headcoat continues to improve his machine. There were many branches of his patent. The circular was improvement design in 1824. William Morey, patent number 4921, as it gained ascendancy, its distinctive name was dropped. It became a bobbinet and health codes machine. The old places. Needle run net. Needle run net is a family of lace created by using a needle to embroidered on a net ground. In previous slide, bobbinet is designed based on bobbinet machine. And the several type of machine will be updated in bobbinet, but it provide the bobbinet fabric. Needle run net. Needle run net is a family of laces created by the using needle or embroidery on the net ground. Along the tambour lace, this become a more popular with the advent of machine-made netting. It is used in limerick lace. Needle run net is basically not the net, it is the lace material. It designed the tabular lace and it is famous for the limerick race, or generally it is used in limerick race. Commercial type of net, example of commercial type of nets: Tulle, Marline, French net, crinoline, point d'Esprit. Some other examples are also classified in commercial net: bobbinet, fish net, Russian net, industrial net, fence net, English net. This is the common example of the commercial net. Now we will discuss lace fabric. Lace is an open work fabric consisting of the net work of the yarn formed into intricate design. Lace is an open work fabric consisting of a network of yarn formed into intricate design. Lace may be hand or machine made. Intricate pattern skein be produced by either technique. Both narrow and wide lace fabric are available. The edge of the fabric may be straight or curved. It is an important trimming It is an important trimming for it is used for the tablecloth, curtain, handkerchief, dresses, and underwear. The pattern flower or group which form a closer worked and more solid portion, the ground or filling which serve hold to the pattern together. History of lace. Lace, a decorative open-work web, was first developed in Europe during the 16th century. Two distinct types of lace making, needle lace and the bobbin lace, began simultaneously. Needle lace is made with the single needle and the thread, and the bobbin lace entailed with the plaiting of many threads. Less thread was typically made from the linen and the later silk or the metallic gold threads, followed by the cotton in 19th century. Needle and bobbin laces were often named after region or town where they were made. Preeminent lace making centers were established in Italy, Flanders, and France. The finest lace involved in the talent and the skill of the three distinct specialized the artist who created the design on paper, pattern maker who translate the design onto the parchment, and the lace maker who worked directly on the pattern to make the lace endowment, women's and the man's collar, curves, draped woman's shoulder, hands, heads, covered entire gown, decorated furnishing. Part of the lace construction, toilie, bridge of the rescue, cordonnet, and picote. Bridge and rescue is the fine yarn that form the mesh which provide the sheer ground, background between the prominent part of the pattern. Coordinate, it is the heavy yarn that outline the pattern. Picote, it is a decorative loop used to both in pattern and edge of the lace. Toilie, it represents the predominant part of the pattern made by the braiding, knotting, looping and twisting the yarn. Type of lace, the two main type of laces are real or handmade or machine made. Linen thread is usually used for real lace and also expensive laces, but cotton, rayon, nylon, silk and other yarns are now used for the various qualities and types. For machine lace, bobbin lace, sometimes called pillow lace, lace design is drawn either on pillow or a paper that is placed over the pillow. Antique lace has a Antique lace has a drained lace pattern on the rectangular mesh ground. Fillet lace has a drained lace design on the square mesh ground. Antique is a rectangle mesh ground. Fillet is a square mesh ground. Needle point lace. The design for the needle point is a parchment stitch to the backing of the south linen, and the lace is made by the filling in the pattern with the buttonhole stitches. When the lace is completed, parchment is removed. Needle point lace is made by the entirely sewing needle or the thread. A design is drawn on paper. The thread is laid over the design and the thread is then sewn in the place buttonhole and the blanket stitches. Drained lace. It has design drained by the chain stitch onto the mesh background when made by the hand, and the design drained lace is sewn with the thread and needle passed and out of the mesh net. There are two principles of drained lace. Crochet lace. When the handmade is this is the made with the crochet hook or the form of series of loops. Each one of loop is finished with a fine stitch, working usually with the special twisted cotton thread. It originated in the Ireland as an imitation of the Venetian needlepoint. It is a comparatively inexpensive heavy lace. Machine made lace. Nearly all the laces classified as real laces can be duplicated by the machine with slight variation in Simplification, lever's lace. First is lever's lace. The lever's lace machine can produce the most intricate pattern from any type of yarn into fabric up to the 10 yards wide. It is huge complex machine that takes an operator 2 or 3 weeks to threads very thin round brass bobbin containing up to 300 yarns. Each are individually conveyed by the carriage moving back and the forth from one warp to another. As each bobbin is moved predetermined position, it swings between the warp yarn and warp yarn. Its yarn around one warp, it is moved on another. Since there are about 20 bobbin per inch, very integrated design are possible. The fabrics can be fairly expensive. Lever's lace is used for the great extent in the dress industry. Nottingham lace. The Nottingham machine originated in Nottingham, England. It is also utilizing swinging brass bobbin but produce a flat lace that is coarser than lever's lace, bobbin lace. The bobbin machine employ the braiding principle. The lace produced has a fairly heavy texture with the angular appearance and the uniform count. The shell lace. The knitting machine can be constructed or make lace resembling lever and the crochet laces. The shell machine, which has its needle set horizontally instead of the vertically as for knitting. Rattan lace. It is machine made lace that has ground or heavy loops resembling that terry cloth. Use of laces. Lace is a decorative fabric used in apparel and home furnishing. Narrow laces are used for trims and insertions. Wide laces fabrics are used for curtains, tablecloth, and garment. Laces is decorative fabric in used apparel, home furnishing. Laces are made in different width, different uses. For example, narrow laces are sculpted edge is used for trimming baby dresses. A lace with the slits of eyelet is so made with the ribbon may be run through it. This is the commercial type of laces. Ladder lace, material 100% cotton, stay very tight, harder to tighten, 2% shorter ends and distinctive look. Chemical lace, material polyester, cotton, silk, nylon, techniques embroidered, knitted, crochet, style trimming, color production, dyeing, pattern and stripes, lace crafted, embroidery lace. Mass skull opt, ground polyester, thread cotton, use hem. Carmichael PCS lace, 100% cotton, uses multifunctional, especially sleeve, neck, body, front parts and back parts. Chemical all over lace, the material 100% spun polyester, uses placket, ladies. Compound lace, 100% cotton, uses ladies items, armhole and sleeve decoration. Woven all over lace, the material 100% cotton, uses multifunctional, especially pocket, top, front, kurtis designing. Mesh all over lace, material ground nylon, thread 100% cotton. Chemical lace, material 100% cotton, uses placket. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. If you have query with this session, you can comment in comment box. This session is mainly classified in three main fabrics: braided fabric, netting, and lace fabric. Braided fabric in the form of braid and bricks, which is especially designed for the fabric manufacturer or the industrial purpose. And second one is the NAT is also designed for the apparel manufacturing, accessory design and home textile, and also for the art and craft. Third and last is a laces. Laces are generally decorative item. It is used on hem. Some laces materials are used as a fabric for the developing of garments. Some are uses for the yoke, sleeve patterns. Some are uses for the home textile and other articles. Sometimes they are uses for the home furnishing hemlines. Thank you so much. If you have query, you can comment in comment box.